friends, welcome to the demonstration. Hello friends, welcome to the demonstration of medical chatbot using RAG, that is retrieval augmented generation. So here you can see the input prompt where I typed what is malignant tumor. So it gave me that as a response. A malignant tumor is a growth of abnormal cell that can invade the nearby tissues and spread to the other parts of the body, which are characterized by a cancer. In this case, in the case of breast cancer, malignant cancer originate from the lining of the malignant gland and from the breast. So you see that it will give the medical terms whatever we are typing in the input prompt. Let's say I type acne, so it will also generate the medical terminology of acne, what it actually means by that. So yeah, but it's using quantized model, so it takes a time to generate the response. So for now, let's move on to the backend, how it's working. So this is the my main file which I'm running. So I am importing streamlit.st, streamlit.helper function, where I am actually importing the Hugging Face embedding model. So let's go to helper function. So using LangChain, we are loading the directory loader, PDF loader, recursive text splitter, and Hugging Face embedding. Load function, it's try to load the PDF, what are the present in the file and folder to extract the to apply RAG development generation on text. So now text splitter, which basically try to split the text into chunks, and we are describing the overlap, and at the output we are getting the text chunks. Here we are using Hugging Face model, that is sentence transformer. For more details, you can visit here. It's and use case how to use these things. You can go check out this thing, and its embedding dimension is 384. Okay. Now let's go to the code. So yeah, let's go to the main code. So we are using .env, load.env for loading the API key from directly to the environment whenever we are running it. We are defining the API key, Pinecone API key. So as you know, Pinecone is helping in faster retrieval of the embeddings because of using of the indexes it uses while embedding. And for more reference, you can refer the Pinecone embedding. Here we are using Med chatbot. Name its index name for deriving the embedding. First, you have to collect the tokens, or whatever the API tokens, and you can create a indices where you describe the indexes and as well as dimension upper dimension of the embedding model which you are using. And here we are assigning the matrix cosine similarity to get the nearest vector using similarity semantic similarity search to get the nearest vector. Okay, now let's go to the main file. So here we are describing the prompt templates, and we are passing it as a chain component. So that's why we type is prompt type quarks. Here we are using the streamlet. So we describe the st.session state, the model, so that we only load the model once while using it. Similarly, we are using RAG retrieval augmented generation component as a chain type component. Here we are passing models in session in form of a session state, so we don't have to load it again. We are describing chain type. We're describing the output arguments, which whatever documents we're getting, it will be single one. Only document will it will return. Not other than that, it will not return. And yeah, return statement should true, and chain type we're passing the quarks argument of the how the model will behaves. So this quarks chain type, you can refer to that quark prompt template where we describe the prompt template. Let's go there. So here I am describing the prompt template, how the model should behave when it will get the input questions, and it will. So I am generally saying that it will. Please don't go out of the box and answer the question. If you don't know, say it no. That's the thing. That's the simple thing I am describing here. Okay. So now this is my main part of the application. We are describing the title, medical chatbot using RAG, and here we are describing the input prompt template. We are describing input text. Here, when I click the submit button, so it will check if I type thank you, then it will return this thing, and otherwise it will return the RAG component to generate the response. Okay, so let's understand what are the how means what PDF it will be referring. So here I have created the data folder which contain the PDF file, and this PDF file is around 637 pages, which basically contains all the medical terminologies and whatever things are used like cancerous, malignant cancers, and here you can see prognosis. And yeah, so it referring this entire books for generating our responses. So yeah, these were my medical chatbot. I think the output was generated. Yeah, acne is a common skin disease characterized by the pimple on the face, chest, backbone. It occurs when the pores occur in the skin become clogged with oil and dead skin cells and bacteria. Okay, so as you see, it will generate the response. For more details, I will also return a blog. Please check in the description. For now, thank you.